brown cheese is going out of the spaceship and into the wall. My name is Safari. I came to Norway 7 years ago and I quickly fell in love with the country and the language. I also noticed that there are words in Norwegian that are totally untranslatable to other languages. Therefore, Visit Norway is sending me on an adventure so I can truly learn the meaning of these words in Word of the Day. Hi Safari, the word of the day is Pålegg. Go and have the test at Mathallen. Yes, from my understanding, Pålegg is basically anything you put on bread. But can it be anything though? I don't know, but let's check it out.
Bread is a big part of the Norwegian diet, and it is probably the main reason on why the word pålegg was created. Pålegg is basically toppings and spreads Norwegians put on a single slice of bread. The word itself can translate to toppings, but the meaning is actually in addition to, and that's exactly what it is. Basically everything you can put on an open sandwich: fish, meats, cheeses, vegetables, fruits, and so on. And the best part is when you put many different pålegg on the same sandwich. To sum it up, pålegg is everything you can put on a slice of bread. The only limit is your imagination.
Whoa, now this is the place you have to be. Wow, it looks scary. I was wondering if I can test any type of pålegg you might have.
Smoked pastrami has been in the brine for a little while. It's fantastic.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh, thank you so much. I'm eating cheese that's 24 months old. I'm craving for some cheese right now. I'm so sorry to come and trouble you because I was just wondering if I can test some cheese.
Yes. Do you want to try this famous brown cheese?
Yes. Brown cheese is my favorite cheese.
Yeah. This is not made actually by the milk from the goat, but something called myse.
Myse?
It's the leftovers from the milk.
Okay.
And it's full of sugars. So therefore it's been boiled down and been caramelized.
It was wonderful.
Yeah.
It was amazing. Thank you so much and have a nice day.
Yeah, you too.
Thank you. Ooh, brown cheese. I actually wonder if every Norwegian loves pålegg. What does the word pålegg mean?
Something you have off the bread. It could be cheese, it could be jam, it could be anything.
Can be anything you have on bread.
Yeah.
If I put chicken on bread, is it pålegg?
No.
No, okay.
That's a bit unhealthy, but Nugatti or Nutella, that's pålegg.
Oh, yeah.
You lay it on lay. På, on, leg, lay.
You
on,
just
lay.
translating all the words from Norwegian to direct English.
Yeah.
Try and make the perfect bread with pålegg.
I think I'd just go basic with like bread, butter, and brown cheese.
I have been invited to Heidal to experience how the famous pålegg in Norway, which is brown cheese, how it's made. Maybe I'm going to be making the cheese too with them. Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Nice to meet you. I'm
Nice to meet
Samuel.
you. Safari. Nice to meet you.
So now you're ready for a trip in the ysteriet.
Yes.
But first you need the ysteriet outfit.
Okay.
Let's get to it. This is the machine where we produce the cheese.
It looks like a spaceship. It looks like this place where you like bring the aliens and you like dissect the aliens and you experiment on them. But then it's just a place where you make brown cheese. Fancy. Do you guys have like a special secret ingredients you guys like put inside?
No, it's no secret ingredients. It's just special ways of doing it. It's basically just a mixture of goat milk and cow milk.
Okay.
That we heat for a long period of time, and then it gets brown.
Okay. Wow. It looks like a spaceship that's about to take off. And the brown cheese is going out of the spaceship and into the wall. Wow. Excuse me, can I try? Yeah. Oh, look at that, I'm already professional. Do you guys take in any job applications by any way? I can start right now.
Perhaps you want to taste?
Oh. And this is some serious Pålegg.
Now it's going to be cooled down and sort of shaped. All right, Safari, so now the cheese has been cooled down, and now we're gonna shape the cheese in these forms.
Okay.
So this technique is an old tradition that has been done for several hundred of years in this area.
Wow. So what do you think of my first cheese?
It's a masterpiece, don't you think?
So are you ready to taste the final product, Safari?
Yes. Wow. Is this your favorite Pålegg too?
Yes, it is. I eat it every day, basically.
So what's the combination here?
So this is the bread that we produce downstairs here. I added some butter and I also added this dried flour, so it looks really fancy and
Yeah, and it also tastes fancy.
yes, it does.
It was very nice to see how my favorite Pålegg is made, how the brown cheese is made. I was like, this is so delicious. I wanted to like just dive into it, but it was very hot, so I was like, I won't do it. Brown cheese on bread, that's the best combo. That's the combo for the winners. But then we have people that use other stuff, you know, people that have like cheese with salami and so when I get home, I'm going to show you guys my best Pålegg combos.
It's been really cool to have you here.
Thank you.
So welcome again another time.
Yeah, I'll be back. Welcome to my kitchen. So I'm just going to show you guys a few combos that I do when I make my special sandwich. It's called brødskive here in Norway. The normal brødskive is some batter and then you get some cheese. 1, 2, and 3 cucumbers. This is like the typical brødskive you can find or you can just make at home. This is actually amazing. It was really good. So enough with the normal brødskive. Just get ready because this is going to blow you guys' mind. Put some batter on. After the batter, I get the liver pate. Amazing. After the liver pate, I like to get the chili crayfish just to get that chilliness into the bread, you know. I can't forget the cheese. You put in the cheese right there, and then the salad, And then the chorizo sausage, cucumber, chorizo sausage. Boom, what a combo. Now look at that. I call this the safari special. Oh my God. The juiciness from the cheese and the chorizo sausage. Chili crayfish, wow. I would have said don't try this at home, but please try this at home. So guys, don't be afraid to make your own combos of Pålegg. All these Påleggs here to be combined to make something special. So now I'm going to make my dessert Pålegg. We get our peanut butter. Oh yeah, now we're talking. Nougat, some jelly. Oh, yes, now we're talking. And then on the other one, we take my favorite thing in the whole wide world, my favorite Pålegg, the brown cheese. So we take a slice or two. I like to get 2 slices. All we have to do is just put them together. Now the time has come where we test the ultimate Pålegg combo. I hope one day that everyone gets to try this. Thank you so much for today. We've been through a lot. And thank you to Visit Norway for the word of the day. And please subscribe to find out what the next word of the day is.